Look up at the night sky, it's filled with stars, each one twinkling like a distant beacon calling out to us from the vastness of space. Each star is a distant sun, burning brightly in the cold expanse of the universe. Some of those stars have planets, orbiting them in a cosmic dance. Can you imagine? Planets like our own, orbiting those stars? Worlds that might harbor life or hold secrets we've yet to uncover? Space exploration is about venturing into that vast unknown, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. It's about seeking answers to the biggest questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. Where did we come from? Are we alone in this immense universe? What is our place in the grand scheme of things? The cosmos beckons us to explore its mysteries, to uncover the truths hidden in its depths. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars, filled with wonder and curiosity. We've wondered about our place in the universe and what lies beyond our own world. With telescopes, we began to study the planets in our own solar system, unlocking the secrets of our celestial neighbors. Each planet is a world of its own, with unique landscapes and environments. They have mountains, valleys, and weather patterns, each telling a story of its own. But they are also very different from our Earth, with their own distinct characteristics and atmospheres. Exploring these planets teaches us about the universe and helps us understand the processes that shaped our own world. We learn how planets form, evolve, and sometimes even how they die. We learn what makes Earth special, and why it is the cradle of life as we know it. We even learn more about ourselves, our origins, and our potential future. Every journey into space is a journey of discovery, filled with new insights and revelations. Space exploration is an adventure that never ends, with each mission bringing us closer to understanding the cosmos. There are always new things to find, new frontiers to explore, and new mysteries to solve. There are always new questions to ask, driving our curiosity and our quest for knowledge. So, let's embark on a journey through our solar system. Let's set our sights on the stars and see what wonders await us. Let's visit each planet and learn its secrets, uncovering the stories they have to tell. Are you ready? Let's go. The cosmos is waiting for us, and the adventure of a lifetime is just beginning. At the heart of our solar system blazes the sun. It's a star, a giant ball of burning gas. The sun is incredibly hot. Its surface temperature is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun provides light and heat to all the planets. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. The sun is mostly made of hydrogen and helium. These gases are constantly fusing together. This process is called nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion releases enormous amounts of energy. This energy is what makes the sun shine so brightly. The sun is so large that it could fit over 1 million Earths inside. It's also very heavy. Its gravity holds all the planets in orbit. The sun is a powerful force in our solar system. The sun is a fascinating object to study. Scientists use special telescopes to observe it. They learn about the sun's atmosphere, its magnetic field, and its activity cycles. By studying the sun, we gain a better understanding of how stars work. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It's also the closest planet to the sun. Because it's so close to the sun, Mercury is incredibly hot. The surface temperature can reach over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere. This means that there is almost no air to speak of. Without an atmosphere, Mercury can't trap heat. So, the side of Mercury facing the sun is scorching hot. The side facing away is freezing cold. Mercury is a rocky planet. Its surface is covered in craters. These craters were formed by asteroids and comets crashing into Mercury long ago. Mercury has no moons. It also has a very short year. It only takes 88 Earth days for Mercury to orbit the sun. Mercury is often hard to see from Earth. This is because it's so close to the sun. However, with a telescope, you can sometimes spot Mercury as a bright star near the horizon. Section 4. Venus, Earth's hot and hazy twin. Venus is often called Earth's twin. It's similar in size and mass to our planet. But Venus is also very different from Earth. It has a thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. This atmosphere traps heat, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface temperature on Venus can reach over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. Venus also has a very slow rotation. It rotates so slowly that its day is longer than its year. A day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days. A year on Venus lasts 225 Earth days. Venus is covered in volcanoes and plains of lava. Its surface is constantly being reshaped by volcanic activity. Venus has no moons. It's also the brightest planet in our night sky. You can often see Venus shining brightly just after sunset or before sunrise. Venus is a fascinating planet to study. Scientists are interested in its thick atmosphere and its extreme temperatures. They want to understand why Venus is so different from Earth, even though they are so similar in size. Over the years, many missions have been sent to Venus to uncover its mysteries. The Soviet Union's Venera missions were the first to land on Venus and send back data. NASA's Magellan mission mapped the surface of Venus using radar, revealing its volcanic landscape. Future missions aim to study Venus's atmosphere and surface in even greater detail. Understanding Venus's runaway greenhouse effect can provide insights into climate change on Earth. The thick clouds of Venus are made of sulfuric acid, creating a hostile environment. The surface pressure on Venus is 90 times that of Earth, equivalent to being deep underwater. Interestingly, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system. Unlike Earth, Venus has a very weak magnetic field which affects its atmosphere. As we continue to explore Venus, we hope to unlock more secrets about this enigmatic planet. Despite its harsh conditions, Venus remains a key to understanding planetary evolution and the potential for life on other worlds. Venus, Earth's hot and hazy twin, continues to captivate our imagination and drive our quest for knowledge. The more we learn about Venus, the more we appreciate the delicate balance that makes Earth so unique. Section 5, Earth, our Blue Oasis. Earth is our home planet. It's the only planet we know of that can support life. Earth is special for many reasons. It has a perfect distance from the sun. This distance allows for liquid water to exist on its surface. Water is essential for life as we know it. Earth also has a protective atmosphere. This atmosphere shields us from harmful radiation from the sun. It also helps to regulate Earth's temperature. Earth's atmosphere is made up of mostly nitrogen and oxygen. This is the perfect mix for us to breathe. Earth is a dynamic planet. It has continents, oceans, mountains, and deserts. It's also teeming with life. From the smallest bacteria to the largest whales, Earth is home to an incredible diversity of living things. We are lucky to live on Earth. It's our responsibility to take care of our planet and protect it for future generations. By studying Earth and understanding how it works, we can learn to be better stewards of our home. Section 6, Mars, the Red Planet Beckons. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has long captured the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. Its striking red appearance and mysterious surface have made it a focal point of space exploration and study. Mars is known as the Red Planet. This nickname comes from its reddish appearance, which is visible even from Earth. It gets its name from the iron oxide on its surface. This iron oxide, or rust, coats the planet's surface, giving it a distinctive red hue that sets it apart from other planets in our solar system. Iron oxide is basically rust. Just like the rust you might find on an old car or a piece of metal left out in the rain, the iron oxide on Mars creates a rusty reddish appearance. It gives Mars its distinctive red color. This color has fascinated humans for centuries, leading to countless myths and stories about the planet. Mars is a cold, dusty planet. Its thin atmosphere is composed mostly of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. This atmosphere is not thick enough to retain heat, making the planet's surface extremely cold. It's much smaller than Earth. Mars has about half the diameter of Earth and only about 1/10 of Earth's mass. Despite its smaller size, Mars has a diverse and intriguing landscape, but it has many interesting features. From towering volcanoes to vast canyons, Mars is home to some of the most impressive geological formations in our solar system. Mars has the largest volcano in our solar system. It's called Olympus Mons. This massive shield volcano stands about 13.6 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Mars also has a huge canyon system called Valles Marineris. This canyon system stretches over 2,500 miles, making it one of the largest canyons in the solar system. This canyon is so large that it could stretch across the entire United States. Its depth and length make it a truly awe-inspiring feature of the Martian landscape. Scientists believe that Mars may have once been much warmer and wetter than it is today. Evidence suggests that liquid water once flowed on the planet's surface, creating rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans. They have found evidence of ancient rivers and lakes. These dried-up riverbeds and lake formations indicate that Mars had a much more hospitable climate in the distant past. Some scientists believe that Mars may have even harbored life in the past. The presence of water is a key ingredient for life, and the discovery of ancient water sources has fueled speculation about the possibility of past life on Mars. Today, Mars is a very different place. Its surface is barren and desolate, with no liquid water and a harsh, cold climate. But it remains a source of fascination for scientists and dreamers alike. The quest to understand Mars and its history continues to drive scientific research and exploration. We continue to send rovers and landers to Mars to explore its surface and search for signs of past or present life. These missions have provided invaluable data and stunning images of the Martian landscape. Mars is the next frontier in space exploration. With each mission, we learn more about this enigmatic planet and its potential to support life. One day, humans may even set foot on its surface. Plans for manned missions to Mars are already in the works, and the dream of walking on the Red Planet may soon become a reality. Until then, we will continue to explore this enigmatic planet and unlock its secrets. The journey to Mars is just beginning, and the discoveries we make there will shape our understanding of the universe for generations to come.